When it comes to privacy, you can likely set it and forget it. However, it is important that you tackle your privacy settings at least once so that you know what you are and are not showing to others through Handshake. Log into your Handshake account with your NetID and password. Click your name at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Then click Account Information on the left. Handshake is linked to your UMass email account, which is the best way for you to communicate with potential employers and internship supervisors. Therefore, to protect your privacy, we do not recommend adding your mobile phone number. Now scroll down to see additional settings. Under Privacy, if you make your profile visible to employers on Handshake, be certain that your profile does not contain your street address, phone number, or other personal information. Employers on Handshake can always reach out to you through Handshake, and when you apply for a specific position, you can include your personal information in that specific application. If you would like to see how other students have completed their Handshake profiles, then you must make your profile visible to other students first. You can also choose whether you want to allow other students to message you through the system. Work authorization settings default to those for a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. If that's you, you can ignore these settings. For international students, we recommend that you check the box "Prefer not to answer these questions." Doing so will keep you eligible within the Handshake system for the most opportunities possible. However, you will need to read each job description carefully to see if there are specific work eligibility requirements that you must meet as an international student. Students with DACA status can find relevant information by clicking the question mark in the green circled text. All questions about worker rules for international students or students with DACA status should be directed to the International Programs Office at ipo.umass.edu. You also have the option to sync your Handshake calendar to your personal electronic calendar so that your Handshake appointments and events will appear there. Finally, after checking all your settings, don't forget to save your changes by clicking Save Update at the very bottom. Now that you've reviewed your privacy settings, we're ready to look at some of the more interesting features of Handshake.